How to connect Zendrop to AliExpress. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. If you want to have your Zendrop be connected or have a connection with AliExpress, we could do it by utilizing our Shopify over here as our middleman. So as you know, in Zendrop, you could only actually connect to Shopify, TikTok Shop, and ClickFunnels. Now, to be able to connect to AliExpress or have some connection to it, you could use Shopify over here since Zendrop could easily connect to Shopify. And now in Shopify, simply click on Add Apps and then open the Shopify App Store. And then simply search for AliExpress in the App Store. And now you could use simply any application related to AliExpress since they establish a connection with Shopify, as you can see here. And through that, you are able to connect Zendrop together with Shopify, or rather together with AliExpress using Shopify as our middleman. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.